Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Step up with accounts with the new video. Here also we are going to solve one question related to P&L appropriation account. In this we are taking interest on loan and salary and your rent also. How we make the treatment of rent and interest on loan. So first of all, see the question, as I'm not able to show you the complete question here, so just go with the question, take a screenshot of that and then come to the solution. Let's see. I'm going to read the question as in a short way I had written here, so that it can be easy for you to understand the concept. Yes, now see the question. Rahim and Sudesh, the two partners of a business firm, agreed to appropriate the profits of the firm on the following terms. First of all, two partners, Rahim and Sudesh. First is A, interest is payable on capital at the rate 5% per annum. Interest on capital 5% per annum. Second is Rahim will be entitled to a salary of rupees 500 per month. Per month it is given, so we have to calculate salary 500 into 12. That will be 6,000. Clear? Now third is interest on loan to be given by the firm to the partner to be charged 10% per annum. So here third point. Interest on drawing to be charged from the partners at 5% per annum. Sudesh will get commission at the rate 1% on the sales made during the year. 1% sales. Total sales will also be given in the question. Rahim is entitled to a rent of rupees 25,000 per annum for allowing the firm to carry on the business in his premises. The net profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2017 was 1,80,000. This is the net profit, and the rent is 25,000 per annum. Capital balances on 1st April 2016. Rahim's capital balance is 1,50,000 and Sudesh is 1,40,000. Loan advanced on 1st October 2016 on Sudesh 1 lakh. Drawings made during the year 40,000 on Rahim and 30,000 by Sudesh. During the year 2016 to 17, sales of the firm amounted to rupees 7 lakh. Now we have to go with the question. One more time, I already been told you that interest on loan and rent. Interest on loan and rent, these both are charged against profit. हम इनको P&L appropriation में नहीं शो करेंगे. We have to go in P&L account to show. अगर आपने P&L account नहीं बनाना है, आप नेट प्रॉफिट में से दोनों ही डायरेक्टली माइनस करके शो कर सकते हो, बट हम इसके लिए कोई इंडिविजुअल एंट्री नहीं बनाएंगे. बाय नेट प्रॉफिट ब्रैकेट में माइनस करके आप इनको शो कर सकते हो, नहीं तो P&L अकाउंट छोटा सा बनाएंगे और उसमें शो करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट इन P&L अकाउंट, क्योंकि आपको इंटरेस्ट और लोन भी डालना है और सैलरी रेंट भी डालना है. सो बाय प्रॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट, that is 1,80,000. Now interest on loan is 10% per annum. 10% per annum means Sudesh has taken loan on 1st October, means loan will be entitled Interest on loan will be entitled on Sudesh from 1st October for 6 months. So it will be 1 lakh 1 lakh into 10 upon 100 into 6 upon 12. So you will get 5,000. Fine. So to interest on loan account 5,000. Salary is given, per annum it is given. Then we'll write to rent on Rahim 25,000. When yes, interest on loan is 5,000 as 10% per annum on 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 10 upon 100 into 6 upon 12. Why 6 upon 12? Because loan is after 1st October. So after October we'll be having 6 months. So don't forget about the months to calculate. 6 months will get 5,000. Rent is also being treated under P&L account because rent is also being charged against profit as loan, interest on loan. So to rent, Rahim's rent, how much? 25,000. Now what is the profit will come after deducting these two things? We will get the net profit, which we will transfer to P&L appropriation account, and see it will be 1,80,000. 1,80,000 minus these two things, we will get 1,50,000 by net profit 1,50,000. See, there are two methods to calculate this. अगर आपने इसको P&L अकाउंट में नहीं शो करना है तो यू कैन राइट हेयर ऑल्सो 1,80,000 माइनस 5,000 फॉर इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन एंड 25,000. आपने ब्रैकेट में इसको शो करना है P&L अप्रोप्रिएशन में. गलती से भी इसकी एंट्री यहाँ मत कर देना. शो करने के लिए वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर P&L अकाउंट ओनली. अगर आपने P&L अकाउंट नहीं बनाना चाहते हैं, क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं है कि आपने बनाना है, यू हैव टू मेक ओनली P&L अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, तो आपने इसको यहाँ ब्रैकेट में नेट प्रॉफिट के साथ माइनस करके शो करोगे, करेक्ट होगा. बट अगर आप इसको अलग से शो करोगे तो वो गलत हो जाएगा. सो गो फॉर इट, शो इट in a bracket, okay, then minus it and you will get the same answer. After this we have to write interest on capitals. What was the rate of capital? 5% per annum, and capital is 1,50,000 for Rahim and Sudesh capital is 1,40,000. So 1,50,000 into 5 upon 100, Rahim you will get 7,500 and for Sudesh you will get 7,000. So and it would be 14,500. Next is to salary of Rahim. Rahim salary, how much salary is 25, salary is 500 per month. Per month is given, so we have to calculate annual salary. So it would be 500 multiply 12, you will get 6,000. And next is commission. Commission is also there point. Sudesh get commission. Sudesh commission. How much commission? He said 1% on sales made. Sales is 7 lakh given to you in the question. 7 लाख और आपको एंड इट इज सेड नथिंग, सो आपने सिंपल 1% सेल्स की निकालनी है. 7 लाख इंटू 1/100 you will get 7,000. Then nothing left. No drawings is given, no interest on drawing is given, so we'll write total and profit transfer to capital account. To profit transfer to capital account. Rahim and Sudesh. 124 250. First is we got the profit, so profit should be divided equally among the partners as ratio is not given, so we can assume that profit has been divided equally. So ratio Rahim's profit would be 6:125, 6:125 for Sudesh. This is done. I hope it is clear. Both the topics, manager commission, the last video I had explained you. If not, so please go through the videos. I explained few questions also, discuss that. Rent or interest on loan, how we have to treat, you can understood. See, अगर P&L appropriation P&L account नहीं बनाना है, मेंशन नहीं है आपके क्वेश्चन में, so no need to मेक द P&L अकाउंट. आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हो जो चीज़ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट है, इसको माइनस करके आप इसका आंसर शो कर सकते हो, बट इसको यहाँ 2 साइड में मत लिखना. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, रेंट एंड मैनेजर कमीशन तीनों ही आपके चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट है. आपको 1 नंबर में भी अगर MCQ में आता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो द रीज़न इज दे all the 3 things are charge against profit. They will be treated in P&L account, not in P&L appropriation account. Still, if you have any doubts, in my description box there is my mail ID. You can mail me. I'll clear your doubts. See you in the next video with the new topic. In that I will discuss the next topic of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.